Welcome to BreitWerks. Well, we're in it now, boys. So there was a fuel line in the back that goes to the cold start valve, and as soon as I had all the new fuel stuff hooked up, turned on the key, yes, fuel pump came on exactly like it's supposed to, and then there was gas pouring out of the hose that went to the cold start valve. It had 3 cracks in it. Not 1, 3. So, bad news is we're in deeper than we thought we would go before we had first start. The good news is we'll be able to get all these vac lines changed, and so that we're not worried about the Sportomatic working. Plus, it looks like there may be a couple other things we can clean up in here. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's 1974 911S, and we're gonna keep going until we lick this. So check back with us soon. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.